What's up, YouTube? That was some random noise just then. Sorry, what's up, YouTube? It's Xander789 here, bringing you a quick another video, BMX bike check update. You know what wheels I've got. So it's just really I got a new chain, Shadow Interlock V2 in black. It's nice. It's black. Not much to say about it. Odyssey V3 cassette, white spokes, has a light blue anodized path, tan wall, 8-can-C integrated clamp, first stick on my bike. It's raw, but then with lacquer, obviously, same crank, salt, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, you can't really see them on this blue, Mankind 28 sprocket, Odyssey V3 race forks. Odyssey the Odyssey race forks, the second version, not the newest. Marmoset hub, G Sport, Odyssey hazard light, fit fast, salt stem, fly lunar bars, Odyssey iron rail scripts, Odyssey bar ends, Odyssey integrated headset. I've actually got no BB in here. I've just put my cranks on for this, and yeah, so I need to get a new BB because this is 19mm and the one I've got is 22 out of my old frame, which is over there and over there somewhere. And yeah, now down to the frame. This is the terrible one frame. There's a sticker, I don't know whether you can see that, but it says terrible one. It's so nice and sleek, and yeah, 21-inch top tube, pretty long, nice and sexy, yeah. It's been Xander789, peace. Oh, Xander789 123, peace.